Hi guys, today is Tuesday and it is so dark and ugly outside. Like, it was so sunny this morning and I was like, okay, perfect. I'm gonna film my makeup tutorial. It's gonna be grand. And then I can like see the viewfinder and it's getting like darker and darker and darker and I keep boosting it and it's just not working. So I wanted the lighting to all look the same and I don't think it's gonna do that. So I don't know, we'll see later when I import the footage. Since it's really ugly, I can't keep filming because I'm gonna have the same issues. So I think I'm gonna go do some more baking. I won't do a full-on montage anymore. You guys have seen me bake way too much this week. I'm gonna be making salted caramel cupcakes. I'm really excited. This one actually comes with a frosting making kit, but I have frosting left over, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna make the frosting. But yeah, so let's get to baking. Okay, now time to edit for the rest of the night. What is that? Is it snowing? This has to be a joke. Some of the footage worked out, I think. Some of it's... It's probably because my face is in it, though. Hi guys, today is Wednesday. I don't know why I just did that. Today is Wednesday. Sorry, I brought you guys a little bit closer so you guys could hear me better. But right now I'm working on a lookbook. I thought it would be really fun to do like an outfits I'm wearing at home lookbook. I know like a million people have done that video, but I'm going to be showing my outfits and you guys have already seen this because I wore it in my last vlog and I love this outfit. I think it's so cute, so of course I had to include it in it. I'm shooting it on like this brown couch, which I actually think works really well because it's like dark chocolate brown and then this red color just kind of looks really nice with it. It just pops. So I'm really happy with it. I'm excited to look through the footage and see what I can kind of piece together. And I also have to do so much cleaning because my room is already a giant disaster, which I don't even understand how that happens because as you guys have clearly seen, I don't do very much. So like I don't understand how my room gets so messy. Like it's probably me just like trying on random outfits or something and then just like throwing things all over the place. Like I really need to be a little more organized. Like if you have any tips to like be a more organized person, like please like leave me a comment. I'm so sad. I posted a makeup tutorial today and it's doing so badly. It has like barely any views. I lost subscribers from it and it's making me so sad. Like, I know it's not the best video I've ever made, but I like really simple makeup tutorials because I feel like all the really big beauty gurus, who are amazing by the way, they always post all these really intense and intricate makeup tutorials, but for every day it's not very practical for me. So I wanted to create something that was very realistic in what I actually do and without false eyelashes or anything like that. And I don't know, it did so bad that I don't even know if I'm gonna do another beauty video ever again because every time I post one it does so bad and I lose subscribers from it, so I don't even think it's worth it. And yes, I know I can't even drink my coffee. Yes, I know that it's not about the subscribers or how much views something gets. Like, I do get that, but at the same time, clearly you guys don't like that kind of content, so like why would I be creating it if it's not what you guys are interested in? So to me, like, that just makes sense. I do really like making beauty videos though and like makeup tutorials, and that is the first type of content that I watched when I first started watching YouTube. So it's really sad that I don't know, it makes me really sad because I want to be able to create that kind of content, but every single time I do it, it just like backfires and it flops. And yes, I do understand this is a fashion channel. My main focus is always going to be fashion. It's my #1 like interest in life. So obviously that's the type of content that I do want to be making, but I do think that fashion and beauty kind of go hand in hand and they do kind of enhance each other. So sometimes I do want to do like the random beauty or makeup tutorial like here and there just to kind of like switch things up a little bit. I can't do like lookbooks every single week. It's just not realistic to the time that it takes to actually film one. Let me know if there's other types of videos that you guys want to see that I can change instead of doing like random makeup tutorials, because clearly that's not working and I'm like trying to read the room and like no one wants to see them, and it's really sad because I do like making them, but I also don't want to keep making them and then all of you guys leave just because of it. So I don't know, it just makes me really sad seeing it and seeing how bad it went, and I don't know. I'm just staying here like trying to drink my coffee, like feeling really bad about it. Okay, I have to stop feeling sorry for myself and clean my room because it's not helping anybody. Actually, no, I'm gonna sit here and finish my coffee first. By the way, this is usually how I sit in my room. I always sit on the floor. I never sit on my bed. Yesterday when I was filming my vlog, I was like editing on my computer on top of my bed, and I was just doing that for the video because I never do that. I always sit on the floor, which is probably really bad for my knees. That's probably why I have really bad knees. So now I'm remembering that I didn't even mention the fact that I changed. I put on this really beautiful green sweater. It's like one of my favorite colors. I love this color. I think it's so pretty. I don't really know how flattering it is against my skin tone, but I just love this color. And like, how cute does this cream color look with this green? Like, and then I have the little white flowers in my hair. So today is a Thursday, and right now I'm getting ready to film a whole new video, and I've been on the roll. This is gonna be my third upload for this week, and I'm really excited. I hope you guys are liking all the new videos. So right now I just have to set up my lights and my tripod, and I'm filming a bit of a different video, so I'm really excited about it, just to try something different. And then we will actually clean my room because I didn't do it yesterday, so. Okay, just finished filming. I feel like I talked way too fast throughout this entire video. I feel like I'm stressed out about running out of memory on my SD card. I really need to buy like a bunch of giant SD cards so I don't have this issue, because every time I run out of room I have to import it on my computer, and then the lighting's gonna be different, and it's like a whole thing that I hate dealing with. So I always try to like squeeze it in, and I'm using like an 8 GB SD card. I really need to get my act together. Anyway, so now it is time for coffee and importing all this footage, and then I'm gonna be editing, and hopefully this video turns out as nice as I want it to. So wish me luck. I just ordered a new card so I don't run into this issue ever again. Hi guys, today is Friday, and it is so cold. It's like a really gloomy gray day, and I'm freezing today. I really should put on a sweater. Today I'm going to be shooting this outfit because I put on this really cute outfit, and I really wanted to film it for a lookbook. I just finished shooting, and I think it went pretty well. I haven't looked at the footage fully. I think my battery's dying, so I can see it flashing right now. So I'm gonna charge it, I'm gonna get some coffee, import, and then look through the footage, and hopefully something is like decent. I also turned on my little candle holders, which I love turning them on. I don't do it every single day, but I do like seeing them on. I think it's really fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go get coffee. My battery's about to die. Okay, bye. Aww. Hi guys, today is Saturday, and I'm having a lazy day because, well no, I started out like editing and doing stuff, tried to film a lookbook, or a look for my lookbook that I'm posting next week, but I was just not happy with what I was filming and like how it looked, and I was really forcing it because I'm just not really in the mood today. I just feel so like bleh, and I'm really cold, so I'm like trying to keep myself warm with this giant sweater, and it's not really happening. So I think I'm just gonna like clean my room and have some coffee and like put on a movie or something and just kind of have like a lazy day. So I don't know if this is gonna be the last clip that you guys are gonna see. If it is, I apologize, because I know yesterday was really boring too, and then today I didn't really do anything. So it's really not as fun to watch for you guys if you're watching a vlog. But I truly just feel like not doing anything. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.